afternoon, boys and girls. Today we are going to review the correct way to do a how-to writing task. Okay, we're first going to begin with our opening sentence. And if you look here, Mrs. Leonard's opening sentence says, "Today I will tell you how to make a pizza." With all good sentences, you want to make sure that you begin with a capital letter and you end with a period. So let's look back at my opening sentence. Today, I will tell you how to make a pizza. As you see, Mrs. Leonard started with a capital T for today, and she ended her sentence with a period. Now, we're going to check our second sentence. Did Mrs. Leonard begin with a capital, and did I end with a period? And as you see, I highlighted the F in first because it was a capital letter, and I highlighted my period because I ended my sentence with a period. Okay, boys and girls, now let's look at my third sentence. Next, I put sauce on the crust. Did I start with a capital and end with a period? Yes, I did. And my transition word is highlighted in pink. I used next as my second transition. Let's look at Mrs. Leonard's fourth sentence. Then I put on the white cheese. Did I begin with a transition word? You found it. Then, hey, we're almost done. Let's look at our fifth sentence. Last, I put pepperoni on the pizza. Do you see the transition word in my fifth sentence? Yes, you're correct. The word is last, and I highlighted it in pink. Now, Mrs. Leonard has written her closing sentence. I had fun telling you how to make pizza. And girls, now we're going to just check over our writing to make sure we started with capitals and we end it with periods. And my friend Joey is going to help me. Okay, Joey, in the first sentence, today I will tell you how to make a pizza. Can you point to the capital? And then, did I end with a period? Great. In sentence 2, first I roll out the crust. Can you show me where the capital is? And did I end with a period? Great job. In my third sentence, next, where's my capital? I put the sauce on the crust. Where's my period? Great job. In my fourth sentence, then I put on the white cheese. Where's my capital? Good job. And where's my period at the end of my sentence? Can you find it?
Let me get over here and right here.
Great job. And in my fifth sentence, can you show me where my capital is? And where's my period? Great job. And in my closing sentence, I had fun telling you how to make pizza. Where's my capital? And where's my period? Great job. So as you see, boys and girls, we always check our writing to make sure we begin with a capital and we end with the period. Okay, boys and girls, now we're going to end our session today, our lesson. So let's sing our transition song. First, next, then last. Those are the parts to our story. First, next, then last. Those are the parts to our story. Okay, guys, I miss you. We'll see you again soon.
Bye. 17.